Welcome to this tutorial on how to use C# to create a PowerPoint presentation. How's it going, everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation using C# and IronPPT. So let's get started by installing the library through NuGet. Here in Visual Studio, I've opened the NuGet Package Manager and searched for IronPPT. And you can see it's listed here, ready to install. So I've already installed IronPPT, so let's jump into the code. Over here in program.cs, I've written everything we need to build and customize a presentation. Before anything works, you'll need to add your IronPPT license key. I've tucked it safely in this hidden region, and it's important to unlock the full potential of the library. We start by creating a new presentation object. This sets up a blank PowerPoint file where we'll add our slides, text, images, and shapes. Next, I'm calling 4 key functions, one for adding slides, one for text, another for images, and the last for shapes. This keeps things neat and modular. The add slides function simply adds a new slide to your presentation. It's the base where all the content will sit. In add text to slides, we're doing a bit more. First, add simple text to the first slide. Then on the second slide, I insert a styled text box. The text is bold, blue, center aligned, and spaced for readability. So this gives the slide a polished look. In Add Image, we load an image from the local drive and place it onto the first slide. Then we set its position on the slide, adjust its width and height so that it fits well alongside the welcome text we added earlier. In Add Shape, we add a circular shape to the second slide, setting its width and height to form a perfect circle, fill it with a soft powder blue color, and outline it with black, and position next to the styled text box we created. Finally, we save the presentation as example.pptx. This step writes all the content to a PowerPoint file ready to open and share. With all methods explained, let's run the program and check out the result. So now that the run is complete, let's see the files. So here's the generated file, example.pptx. You can see the first slide with the welcome text and image. And the second slide has the styled paragraph and the circle shape that we added. And that's a quick and easy way to create a PowerPoint presentation with C#. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. If you'd like to get started with IronPPT, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description, check it out for yourself.